Here is how to fix you are visiting too frequently issue in Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome to the app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue if it shows you are visiting too frequently while logging into your Epic Games account. So let's start. So when you try to sign into your Epic Games account, sometimes it will show you a message like you are visiting the store too often. So that issue might be because of the cache that is being collected in your Epic Games launcher. In order to fix this, what you can do is go to the File Explorer. Then after on the top in the search bar, type %local app data and then % once again. After that, search for it. Now locate Epic Games Launcher and then open it. Then after go to Saved. Then you will find this Wave Cache folder. Open it. Then locate cache and delete it. After deleting this cache folder, restart your PC and the problem will be solved. So in this way, you can easily solve the issue if it shows you are visiting too frequently while logging into your Epic Games account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.